does a loan officer or loan originator do? Work tips. If you've ever wondered what a role a loan officer really plays in your home buying journey, you're not alone. This guide breaks down their responsibilities, why they matter, and how you can work with one to make the process easier. Hi, I'm Kelly Arriaza, your mortgage home loan expert. Whether you're buying your very first home, refinancing, or diving into the real estate investing, my mission is simple: to guide you step by step, making what can be a complex process as smooth and stress-free as possible. With years of experience and a passion for helping families and investors, I'm here to be your mortgage guide to home ownership and real estate investing. Today we're talking about a question I get all the time. Kelly, what exactly does a loan officer do? Well, you're about to find out. I'll walk you through the role of a loan officer, also called a loan originator, and share some insider tips on how to work with one effectively so you can move through the home buying process with confidence. Let's start from the very beginning. What does a loan officer really do? Think of your loan officer as a bridge to home ownership. From the moment you decide you're ready to buy a home, all the way to the day you get keys. They're with you from every step of the process, through the main point of contact, like your personal project manager, making sure everything moves forward smoothly. For example, imagine you're buying a house for the very first time. You might feel overwhelmed by the terminology, the forms, and the deadlines. Your loan officer is there to explain things in plain language, answer your questions, and make sure you don't miss a step. They are truly the connection between your dream and actually walking through the front door of your new home. Now let's peek behind the scenes at what loan officers do day to day. A huge part of their job involves reviewing loan applications and credit reports. This is where they gather all the important information about your financial picture. Things like your income, job history, debts, and credit scores. Why? Because they need to know which loan programs you qualify for and how much home you can afford. Think of it like a puzzle. They take all these pieces of information and fit them together to find the right solution for you. If something is missing, like a key document, they'll let you know so you can fix it quickly and keep the process moving. Not all loans are created equal. This is where a great loan officer really makes a difference. They are the different types of mortgage products: FHA, VA, USDA, conventional, jumbo loans, non-QM loans, loans for just investors, and each one has its own rules, benefits, and requirements. A skilled loan officer knows the insides and outs. Their job is to customize a loan solution based on your goals and qualifications. For instance, if you're a veteran, a VA loan might be a fantastic option. If you're a first-time home buyer with a limited down payment, maybe an FHA loan fits you better. This isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. A great loan officer listens, understands your needs, and matches you with a product that gives you the best shot at a long-term success. Here's something most people don't see: the amount of teamwork that goes on behind the scenes. A loan officer works closely with a whole network of people to get you to the closing table. This includes underwriters, real estate agents, title companies, appraisers, processors, and sometimes attorneys. Think of it like a relay race. Each person has a role to play, and your loan officer is the coach, making sure everyone stays on pace and hands off the baton smoothly. When you see a closing go perfectly with no hiccups or delays, it's usually because your loan officer works tirelessly to coordinate every moving part. You know, the mortgage world moves fast, and I mean really fast. Interest rates change daily, new loan programs pop up, government regulations are updated regularly. A great loan officer is constantly learning and staying informed so you don't have to. This is why it's important to work with someone who proactively is always looking out for your best interest. For example, maybe you qualified for a certain rate last month, but today the program that could save you thousands of dollars, your loan officer keeps tab on these changes to make sure you're getting the most current and beneficial option provided. Let's be honest, buying a home can be like a roller coaster. There are so many steps, deadlines, and documents, and it's completely normal to feel overwhelmed. This is where a loan officer truly shines. We break that process down step by step, making sure you always know what's happening and what comes next. We explain complex terms in a way that makes sense, and we're here to keep you calm when things get stressful. Think of us as your guide, part coach, part cheerleader, helping you navigate one of the biggest financial decisions of your life. Here's something I always tell my clients. My goal isn't just to get you into a house today. I'm here to set you up for long-term success. That means helping you make smart financial decisions now, so you can build wealth and stability for the future. A great loan officer builds trust and relationships that last. Ideally, we'll become your loan officer for life. Whether you want to refinance in 5 years, buy an investment property, or help your kids purchase their first home, we want to be there for you every step of the way. Now that you know what we do, here are a few quick tips to make working with a loan officer easier and faster. Be upfront and honest about your financial situation. Surprises slow things down, so share everything right from the start. Stay organized by keeping key documents like tax returns, pay stubs, and bank statements ready. Ask questions. Seriously, there are no bad questions. This is your journey, and you should feel confident every step of the way. Respond quickly to emails and calls or requests for documents. Timely communication keeps the process moving smoothly. And finally, trust the process. Remember, your loan officer is here to guide and support you. Bonus tip: build a relationship, not just a transaction. One of the best things you can do is think of your loan officer as a long-term partner, not just someone who gets you through the one deal. When you build the relationship, your loan officer gets to know your goals, your financial style, and your future plans. That means you can proactively alert you when new opportunities arise, like refinancing, investing in a property, or even setting up your kids for success down the road. A trusted loan officer isn't just a part of your home buying team today, they're part of your wealth building journey for years to come. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and share and subscribe so you never miss tips on navigating home loans and building wealth through real estate. I'm Kelly Arriaza, your mortgage home loan expert. You can reach me directly at 801-548-0162 and connect with me at social media at Kelly Your Mortgage Expert, or visit my Facebook page. Let's make your journey to homeownership smooth and successful together.